All the lovely people, welcome back to Nikhil's Gourmet Food. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get notifications regularly. As you know, custard apples are in season. So if you are a custard apple lover like me, so today's video is definitely for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to preserve custard apple for a long time and enjoy it throughout the year. So let's start with the recipe. So the basic ingredients are custard apple or Sitaphal as you call it in Hindi. So in this video I am using 2 custard apples just to show you how to preserve them for throughout the year or at least 3 to 4 months. Break the custard apple into half and remove the pulp with a spoon or with your hand. I am using my hand as the custard apple was too ripe, and separate the outer skin from the pulp. If by mistakenly you will add it to the pulp, it will not taste good. Follow this process for all the custard apples you are using. Yes, I know this process is little time consuming, but the end result is very awesome. You can make n number of desserts using this custard apple pulp or Sitaphal pulp. If you want a larger quantity, you can also do this process in a dough making machine, which we get in the market for the home use. After all the pulp has been removed, now we are going to deseed them. So take a spoon and just press it down as shown in the video. This will take 5 to 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, the seeds will get separated and you will remain with the pulp. At the end, if the seeds are not getting separated, don't worry. You can remove it by your hand and then add it to the bowl. So now our custard apple pulp is ready. Now you can store it in the freezer. If you are making for a large quantity and you want to enjoy it throughout the year, you have to add little sugar to it to preserve it for a long time. The amount of sugar to be added depends totally upon the quantity of custard apple you want to preserve. Transfer it to an airtight container and freeze it. After 3 to 4 hours, I will show you how it has frozen and the texture of it. After removing it, you can use it in many recipes like ice creams, rabdis. So stay tuned for my next recipe in which I will use this. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, you can watch my playlist.